Welcome to the 2025 Special Summer School in Kuje.
My friends told me about this summer school, so I said I should give it a try. So when I came, I have so much fun, play games, the teachers were
Fantastic. When you get an opportunity to speak anywhere in this world, whether it's to 2 people or to a large group.
I'm not the kind of person that interacts, but through the special summer school, I was able to interact with others and make new friends. When I go back to school, I was able to teach my friends the new things I learned from the special summer school.
So we're going to practicalize tie and dye today. Today we're going to focus on crumble, folding and spiral method. This is going to be the crumble method.
The sheer joy and excitement on their faces when I walked into the class and introduced myself was it for me. It's been a wonderful day. They've been learning tie-dye. I believe it's an opportunity for them to pick up little entrepreneurship skills here and there. These are things they can do and sell.
You could see from the countenance of the children that they were very, very involved and they were very happy with this project.
The children are excited. I am super excited to be here with the Special Foundation to make sure that we all have an amazing time.
Thank you to the Special Foundation for this opportunity.
My God!